Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, guys, generation from year 2012 to year 2019. And if you're trying to find where the fuses for the BCM, the body control module, are located, stay with us, we'll explain that. You have up to 3 fuses that control the BCM. The BCM is behind the glove box, under the glove box actually, with all the fuses, but you have 3 fuses that control it, okay, from a remote area. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So what we need to do, guys, we need to go ahead and open the hood on that Ford C-Max. I'm going to support it. Okay, this specifically is a hybrid engine, but even if you have a different one, the procedure may be very similar as well. So what we need to do here now, if you look, this is the box, this is the fuse box right here. On the back side you need to pry up, pull out. Okay, it comes out like that. And if you look at the boxer like that, okay, this way everything corresponds, the layout here corresponds to what we have specifically here. So what we need to check now, guys, okay, we need to check first fuse number 3, and if you look, fuse number 3 is right here, it's under this cover. You need to move that cover, it has a couple clips, it comes loose. Okay, it came loose, guys, and this is, okay, the clips are on the back side, 2 here, okay, and 1 here, comes out. Now the third fuse from left to right, this fuse right here is for the BCM. Also fuse number 4 is for BCM, this one here, these 2 fuses, guys. If you want to see how to test the fuse, I'll put a link in the description of the video below, and if you need to buy one, I will share the link as well. You can get them for a really good price, but these 2 fuses need to be checked. Then you have one more, which is fuse number 16, guys, and if you look, it's that fuse right there. That's 20 amp fuse, and I'm talking about this fuse, JK's fuse as well. So if you need to buy any, I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.